This is Entropic Squares and Lines, one of my puzzle. The rules are usual Sudoku rules, then 2 by 2 entropic squares. So one square must have a low digit, another square must have a medium digit, and then maybe in the third one high digit. So, and the fourth cell can be any strata as long as the 3 strata are in the square. So this for every square, 2 by 2 square. Then we have entropic lines. Any sequence of 3 cells must include a low digit, medium digit, and a high digit. And then this sequence continues. Here we have this sequence. Then we have the usual X, which is 10, and we have gray dots, which are either consecutive dots or ratio, 1:2 ratio, like it's either a white dot or a black dot. And the dots do not have to be the same for the puzzle. This one, for instance, can be a black dot and this one a white dot. So let's get cracking. So here we have a 2 by 2 square, and it must include a medium digit. So one of the X must be a 4, 6. We don't know which is which, but there must be a 4, 6 in there. So assume this is the 4, 6, and see here the dot can't jump over the medium digit. It can't be low plus high. They are all low or all high. For instance, 1, 2 would be okay, both black dot and white dot. 2, 3 also, but then we cannot have 4, 8, nor 4, 2, nor 3, 6, and for the upper it will be among 7, 8, 9 for a white dot. So these are always, in this case, they are from the same strata, either all low or all high. And then for the line we have here the same strata. So this is all the 3 cell, low or high, we don't know which is which, but here it can't work because this 2 by 2 square can't have a digit for this strata. So this can't be 4, 6. And this is the 4, 6. And the same applies here with this X, this dot, and this line. So this is 4, 6. And I color the medium in yellow, so this can't be 4, 6. This can't be 4, 6. But this square must include a medium digit, which is a 5 because 4, 6 pair. This square also must contain a medium digit, the same, a 5, and this is the common cell of both squares, so it must be there. The 5 must go there. So Now if we want to continue, we will color the low and high, because this is 1, 2, 2, 8 or 3, 7. So this is one color, one strata, and this is the other one. This for this square, this is also gray. Then for this square, this must be gray. So the third gray goes there, as with purple. So this is purple. Another way to see it is that there is a virtual X over here. So now for this square, this must be gray, purple, purple, because of this square. And now this square must include yellow, which is a 5. And the same for this square. So now this is low plus high, so it's not medium. This is not medium because it sees all the medium here. So those are not medium, and this must be the medium cell. And the same with this row and this X. So these are the medium. Now this 2 by 2 must include the medium, but it can't go in column 6, so it must go here. And the same for this 2 by 2 square with column 4, so this is the medium. Now this is gray, the X, so makes it purple, gray, purple, gray, purple, purple, because of the 2 by 2. The 2 by 2 is gray, this is purple, gray, purple, gray, the X, this is purple, the square, and this is gray. So now this 2 by 2 purple, this 2 by 2 gray, purple, gray, purple. Then the remaining cell are, oh, I made a drawing mistake. The remaining cell are gray, and here the remaining cell are purple. So this is gray, this is purple, gray. Now if we look at row 1, we need to place 3 yellow cells here. One goes here, but only one. And then we need to place 2 yellow cells. There may be at most 1 here, so the second one must go here. Now in column 9 we have a yellow here, a second one, a third one, so this can't be yellow, but the line needs a yellow, so this is yellow. Now for the row we have 1 purple here, and only one, the second one and the third one goes here. So for the line this is purple, then gray, these 2 by 2 need yellow, the box need purple and a gray, but the purple can't go in column 7. So the same here, this is yellow, this can't be yellow, so this is yellow. There is 1 gray here, the second one, the third gray goes here, for the line here. This is yellow. This can be gray. So gray goes here and purple here. Now we have here 4 sixes. Here the dot cannot include 5. This because 5 goes only with 4 and 6, and these are not the same 4, 5, 6 strata. So this cell is 4 or 6, and if it's a white dot, it can be 3, 5, or 7, not 5. And if it's a black dot, it can be 2. It can't be 4, of course, or 8. So this cell goes over here. So we will mark it with a flash to remember this. So this cell is not the same as this cell, but the same as this cell. So also to remember this. Now the same applies here. So this is 2, 3, 7, 8, but it's not the same as this one because it is this color. So this is a different one. Let's use a black flash here. So we have the same digit here. We have the same strata, low or high here, but they are different. So this can't be 4, 6 and 4, 3 or the other way around, because 3 and 7 it can't be 6, 7 and 6, 3, because 3 and 7 are from different strata, whereas they must be the same strata. So it must be 4 and then it can be 2 or 3, so it's a low. So now the purple are low. I will use usual colors, blue for low and the gray are high. Use orange for high. So now this is just a question of finishing the grid. Oh, this is this is 2 or 3. So here we have a 2, 3 pair. So this, which is a virtual X, if you use the 45, you will see it sum to 10. So it can't use 2 or 3 or 4 or 6, so it's a 1, 9. So this is I, 9, this is 1. And now we can continue. So these digits are 7, 8. So this 7, 8 must go here. Oh yes, here we have an I, 6 indeed, there's the same, 6 with I, so it can't be a 3, so 7. Now this This one see both 7 and a 9, so it's an 8. So that's 7. That 7 goes here. 8 goes here. So this is the 7, 9. Then we have we can put the 7 here. Indeed, we can do more than this, because we have all the low here and all the low for this row. So there can't be any low here. But the 2 by 2 square need a low. So this is a low. And for the line, this is a low. And this is the missing yellow. So it's a 5. Then what do we have? There is a 8 over here and 9 over here. So we can do the same here with the I digits. So we have all the I for the column, all the I for the row. So for this 2 by 2, this must be an I. With the line, this must be an I. This is yellow, it's a 5. And this is for the column, the last row. So we can continue with the medium. Here we have a 4 here, 5, 6. No, the 8 goes here, here. This is a 9, goes here. This is a 7, 7, 3 for the X. This is 9. This is 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3 and 7, 2 and 8. So now it's just a question of finishing the grid. Not that difficult. So what are we missing here? one goes here, so these are the low. This is yellow. This is also yellow. Here we have 9 goes here. So these are high. This is medium, which is 6. Medium, which is 4. So this is 4, 6, 4, 6. That's it.